It's Lisa B, your local neighborhood realtor, and I've got the most unique home for you ever. Fairy tales do come true, and I have a castle that's just perfect for you. We're going to take a tour of the inside. This gorgeous castle home sits on about 10 acres, and they're growing a wide variety of grapes up here, so you'll definitely have to come taste the wine here. The home is located at 10035 Vista Ridge Drive. So this castle is just a mere minutes from downtown Alden and is east of the infamous Torch Lake. And you've got about 10 miles to get to Bel Air and only 28 miles to Traverse City. So we are inside this stunning castle home, and pardon the construction, but they're currently redoing just about everything. They're adding a new kitchen island, granite counters, they're redoing the flooring, as well as adding an additional 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms upstairs. So let's go take a tour of this gorgeous castle. Wait till you see the views. You're surrounded by vineyards. They've started construction on an additional 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms above the garage that overlook the neighboring vineyards. They're in the process of finishing off the basement, which is going to include a wine cellar, a theater, and a wet bar. This would be the perfect, unique home to have Airbnb. You could host gorgeous, stunning weddings here. There's a lot of opportunities for you. So if you love checking out original, unique homes, go ahead and like, subscribe. I really appreciate all of your support, and I want to keep bringing you more unique homes in Northern Michigan.